Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Avowed crashing on your PC. So first of all, you can go ahead and try out updating your BIOS. So how to update it, you just go to Google and enter your computer information and you will find it there. Basically, you will need to find an update on official page of your, for example, my computer is Gigabyte, so that's where I would find my updates. And then you will need to go ahead and access your BIOS setup. Now, if that will not fix the problem, what you can also go ahead and try out is go on the settings of Avowed, then go on graphics. On graphics, you want to go ahead turn off NVIDIA DLSS. So just go ahead and turn it off. You also want to go ahead and turn off NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. And you want to go ahead and turn off ray tracing. This works for a lot of people by turning off ray tracing, so you can go ahead and try that out. Now, after all of these, you also want to go to a game and autosave frequency. You want to set it up to as high as possible, so it's 15 minutes. Then you're gonna apply the changes. Now, once you have done all of these settings, you want to go ahead and open up your NVIDIA app if you're using NVIDIA or AMD. Basically, you want to go ahead and update the drivers. So here on NVIDIA app, you will see drivers. And here you will see available downloads, and you can go ahead and download the update. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.